So now let's go ahead, create a new list from a blank list, test list, demo test list, create. All right, let's click add a column. Let's click down here, only see all content types. So we'll hit cancel. We'll go to the gear icon, list settings. We will enable the users in the site to manage content types. Or if the user has full control, they can enable it for themselves. We'll click OK. And then we'll go back to the test list. We'll click add a column. We'll scroll down, click add a content type. We'll click next. Here, choose from the drop down. Site specific. And can we do that? So site specific has a set of columns in it. Can we do that? Inherits from site specific. Let's just choose can we do that. Click apply. It's added successfully. Notice it's not added here, but if we show or hide columns, we have it available to add in the view. Are you happy here? Apply. New item, or can we do that? Let's look at the difference. New item. It's only got title and attachments. New, can we do that? Has title, birthdays, cake or no cake. I say cake. Today. We'll take cake today. We'll say it's my birthday today. And yes, I'm very happy here if you're going to give me cake. I'll hit save. All right. Now, I don't want this. This has one part. This has all of it. So I'm going to click in the gear icon. I'm going to click on the list settings. I'm going to click on the item. And now I'm going to delete this content type. I'm not deleting it from the site. I'm not deleting it from the tenant or the environment. I'm only deleting it from this list. And then I'm going to go back to the list. I'm going to click new. It didn't refresh yet. I'm going to refresh it now. Click new. And see, it doesn't even do the drop down because there's only one. There's one option now. New. Title. Tomorrow. That's Friday the 3rd. I want cake tomorrow also. And again, I will be very happy here if I get cake. Okay. So you can see some of the different ways that we can use content types. You can look from the front side, which is most encouraged because that's the side they're developing toward. You can look at it from the back side. Sometimes we still do have to go into that gear icon list settings and look at things from the back, but less and less because they're adding a lot more options from the front that never existed before. You can see that the content type is in uses. Can we do that? And if we don't want another content type to be able to be created in this list, we change this from yes to no, and we hit OK. And then when we go to test list, again, we will find it's the same thing. I click new. It's just one option. We don't choose from it. If I click add column, add a content type is still showing up. Let's refresh it again. It's not showing up. And that's the big key. Refresh, refresh, refresh. Things take time to propagate. Sometimes they take a lot longer than others. This really wasn't that long. I was click, click, click. Oh, there it is. Okay, refresh. Oh, it's gone.